Alright, time check tayo guys. It's around 2:14. Yan, ito yung bagahe ko. To big sporting baggage. Yan. Puro paddle naman yan. And we're heading to the airport. Heading to Georgia by Wizz Air. Baka naman. Yan yung mga paddle namin. We're heading to... magpa-check na kami. Time check tayo. Time check is 2:47. And medyo mahaba na yung pila ng Wizz Air. So, good luck. Alright, another race, another country. So here we just arrived Georgia Katusi. From this point, we will travel 2.5 hours to Batumi. We will meet our sundo, alright? And after that, welcome to Batumi. Okay, on route na tayo papuntang Batumi. Saturday 1. And the climate is nice. Medyo makulimlim. Sunny, malamig. Medyo time check tayo ngayon sa 10:54, maaga-agali. We can do something, maybe a city tour or something special later on, right? I'll update you once we arrive in Batumi. Okay. What is this here? Natural? Natural. Natural juice. Natural juice. This one natural.
Do you want
natural.
Do you want coffee?
Well, I'll try the natural.
Take one. I'll pay it later.
One natural. You want natural also?
اگر خزه بکره بیلی اپ ایردا بیر اگر خزه
Okay. Ito, natural din. Ay, di pala coke yan. Ito yung guide namin, si Big Show. Alright. Alright, we're trying one of the local food, kachapuri.
Yes.
Yeah, taste natin, first bite. The bread is fresh and just very good. Then some drink naturale. Good. Very good. Naturale, very good. Alright. Bye-bye. Kanina old carts of train. Countryside tayo. Halfway going to Batumi, we're in Caboleti. We have arrived Batumi Central. Ayun yung famous building nila ng Batumi. Whenever you see in their tourism, and that's a famous Black Sea. Okay. Alright, this is home for 5 days. Welcome to Serif Palace. Look at that. Very nice. There's a sofa, the terrace, and the race is just behind of this building, the story, and that's our neighborhood, and these are the neighborhood tonight. So I'll update you later of the day around the city. I'll just have a quick nap, and voila! Ito tayo mostly sa bahay dito, may mga terrace, yan o. Dahil may sampayan sa labas ng hahaba. I think this building, tawid lang ng kalsada, ay yung hotel namin, and we're already at the lake, the entrance. Right? Ito na. Ito yung race bukas, napakalapit lang sa hotel namin. It's very convenient. And tayo ngayon. Napakaganda ng lugar. To set up the ito yung lake. Para lang Burnham Park. Para ka lang nasa Burnham Park. Yan. Okay, ito siya. Maglalakad tayo. Georgian. This is a busy park. There's doing a basking. And then fishing as well. Almost. think the organizers starting to set up the boys. And may nagboboy na, may naglagay na ng boy. I think that's the puntun for the tomorrow as well. Boy, and then the other boy. Siguro maglalagdag lang sila. Yung speedboat malamang nag-dive na yung para itanim yung boy. Welcome to Batumi, Georgia. This is your friendly wanderer. Wandering Georgia, Batumi. Ito yung bangka. I think ito na yung bangka. This is a standard boat. Sa 22. Medyo luma na rin. We're gonna use it for the corporate. Alright. Okay. Magraramdam na lang tayo ng city. We're roaming around tomorrow. Baka dito rin ako tatakbo. Right? We head to the park and we're looking to and hoping to see a coastal area. We can run over that side. I think so. We can run. This thing's going to the beach, to the Black Sea. Ito, medyo mahaba yung tatakbuhan. I think this is a good one. You can run towards back and forth. It's, yeah. It's a good place to run here. Okay, correct. This is the coastal line, coastal area, and you can see the Black Sea. Nice. Look at that. Check left, right. And welcome to Batumi and the Black Sea. I wonder if Jack Black Sparrow came here. Ay, laki ng dog, oh. Yeah, it's a big boy dog. Alright, welcome to Batumi, Georgia. We're trying their local beer. Oh, parang beer na beer lang. Same thing, nothing. I like what the best beer I tried is Taiwan beer. But this like tastes like home. Alright, I'm gonna enjoy my beer now. I'll teach you how to eat appetizer, bread appetizer of Georgia. Teach it. Medyo matigas, it's hard. You have to choose between the sauce. I will try the red sauce first. A bit sour. That's good. A bit savory. And the green sauce.
Oh, I like this one.
Sourness. I think I like more of this red one.
The red one?
How is it? Good one, right? Happy birthday to you. Oh, still hot. Let's have a taste test. First bite, kachapuri. They make it like a pizza pie. Oh, so good. Freshness, the cheese. It's really smell in your mouth. Very delicious. I suggest you're gonna try this kachapuri when you visit Batumi, alright? Bye bye. Alright, we're gonna try the kinkali, the Georgian dumplings. It's one of their traditional food.
Soup.
Alright, soup already scalded. Look at it. Inside. I intentionally poked that one. There's some meat inside. Alright? Yeah, try it now. the herbs, the meat, the tenderness. The meat is fresh, and the dumplings like the flavors and the water. You gotta try this one. I highly suggest this one. You go try it, alright?
Yeah, you're on.
We're gonna try pork barbecue and grilled fish while listening to a great music of a traditional Georgian instrument. First, we'll try the pork. No need for the sauce. Look at that. Tender. See? Sarap. Ito siyang onion. Very delicious. We try the fish. I really love it. What you're waiting for? Go here now, talk to me. Try the food, try the culture, and enjoy it. Alright? Alright, I'll teach you how to drink Georgian Coke. Georgia Coke. First, you're gonna open it. Put some ice and pour the Coke in. The taste is classic. El Clasico.
So how is the food?
Well, Georgian food, I mostly like fresh. I like it. There's no additives. The meat itself, the khachapuri, the fish. It's like there's no added drama on the recipe. You're just experiencing the culture, the food, and the people. That's the best way to experience your tourism, your visitation. Wow, visitation! Ano to? Right? Enjoy.